Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick guide on using Python for business. Today, we'll explore the power of Python and how it can supercharge your business tasks. So, why Python for business? Well, Python is like a Swiss Army knife for your computer. It can handle a wide range of tasks, making it perfect for business applications. Here are some key things you can do with Python. Data analysis. Python has fantastic libraries for cleaning, exploring, and visualizing data. Machine learning. It's a top choice for machine learning, thanks to its extensive developer community and libraries. Web development. You can create web applications, big or small, using Python. Automation. Python can take over repetitive tasks like data entry or email processing. Data visualization. It offers libraries for crafting interactive charts and graphs. Ready to revolutionize your work-life balance? Imagine working from home, only 1 to 2 hours daily, and enjoying weekly payments, all from a government-registered platform. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Connect through my Instagram link in the bio and let's embark on this exciting journey towards success together. Ready to dive in? Here's how to get started with Python for business. Learn the basics. Begin with the basics of Python. Online resources like Codecademy and Learn Python can help. Choose an application. Decide what business task you want to tackle: data analysis, machine learning, web development, or something else. Find the right libraries. Explore Python libraries or modules that suit your chosen application. There's a library for almost everything. Start coding. Once you've grasped Python's basics and found your libraries, start coding for your business application. Additional notes. Include real-world examples of Python code for data analysis, machine learning, web development, etc., if possible. Highlight Python's flexibility, strong community, and open-source nature. Ensure the script can be easily copied and pasted into a website for video generation. Now that you've seen the incredible potential of Python for your business, I want to help you take the next step in your journey. If you're eager to learn these valuable skills through an e-learning platform, here's what you can do. Drop a comment below if you're interested in learning Python for business on an e-learning platform. You can also reach out to me directly on Instagram. I'm here to guide you and provide personalized recommendations to help you embrace Python for your business. Simply click the link in my channel bio to find me on Instagram. Remember, there's an incredible e-learning platform waiting for you, ready to equip you with the skills you need to supercharge your business with Python. Don't miss out on this opportunity for growth and success. Thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to embark on this Python journey with you. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content.